Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 7, subject science, chapter 1. So inside chapter 1, the name of the chapter, nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants, this is chapter 1. And inside this chapter, today I am going to describe about nutrition in plants, that will be photosynthesis and the role of leaves in photosynthesis. So first of all, nutrition in plants, photosynthesis. Plants, as discussed, are autotroph. Plants are autotroph because plants have chlorophyll in their leaves and they are able to prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. That's why plants are called autotrophs. They prepare their own food. So food is prepared in plants, food is prepared or synthesized. Food is prepared or synthesized, that means food is made only by those plants which are green in color. That means food are prepared by those plants which have which have chlorophyll in them, because green pigment or green substance present in the leaves of the plant is called chlorophyll. So you must remember that the majority of the plant are green due to the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. Majority of the plants are green in color because they have chlorophyll inside them. Chlorophyll is present in the leaves and also in young green stems. Chlorophyll are present in leaves and also present in young green stems. So the process by which green plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, plants absorb sun's energy through their leaves and convert it into food energy. During the process of photosynthesis, plants absorb radiant energy, that is also called sun's energy, and convert it into food energy using the raw materials from the atmosphere and the soil. So raw materials used by the plants, and with the help of that raw material, plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So once I want to remind you all students of class 7 that raw materials, what are raw materials? So raw materials for the photosynthesis are water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. So these are the raw materials. With the help of these substances, plants prepare their own food. So in the process of photosynthesis, the following 4 things are required, that is also called raw materials. Chlorophyll, it is the green pigment present in leaves. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in leaves. Sunlight absorbed by the chlorophyll present in leaves. And carbon dioxide absorbed from the atmosphere by the leaves through small pores on the lower surface of the leaves. These pores are called stomata. So carbon dioxide are absorbed through the small pores present on the lower surface of the leaves, which is called stomata. And water is taken up from the soil by the roots and transported the leaves to the pipe-like structure called xylem vessels, are also called vessels. They are present throughout the plant body. So water is taken out by the roots, and they travel in the entire plant body through pipe-like channel that is called vessels. The chlorophyll containing cells of leaves in the presence of sunlight use carbon dioxide and water to prepare food. So chlorophyll containing leaves use carbon dioxide and water to prepare their food. So the food prepared is in the form of carbohydrate. These sugars ultimately get converted into starch. That means food is prepared in the plant's body in the form of carbohydrate, which is further converted into starch. So this is the explanation of nutrition in plants, that is photosynthesis. And next will be role of leaves in photosynthesis. What is the role of leaves in photosynthesis? So synthesis of food takes place in the leaves. That is, formation of food takes place in the leaves of the plant. In other words, it is the site of photosynthesis. So if someone asks from you that what is the site of photosynthesis, then the answer will be leaf. Leaf is the site of photosynthesis. All the four things, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, sunlight, these are required for the process must reach the leaves. To complete the process, these four things are most required. Leaves possess the following two features. What two features? Leaves contain the green pigment chlorophyll in their cells. Leaves have chlorophyll, and this helps leaves to capture the radiant energy which is used to prepare from carbon dioxide and water. And the chlorophyll absorb radiant energy and help to the formation of carbohydrate by the process of photosynthesis. So there are small or teeny pores called stomata on the lower surface of the leaves. Through stomata, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the leaves. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the leaf by the stomata. So oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis. During the when the photosynthesis will be complete, after to be complete, oxygen is a byproduct released by the process of photosynthesis. So, and also go out leaves through the stomata. So this is my explanation about photosynthesis and the role of leaves in photosynthesis. I think that this much enough. Thanks.